Hi traders, this is Andrew Masters from FIBO Group and welcome to my weekly Forex report. To kick off Monday, the market will focus on market manufacturing PMI from France, Germany, the Eurozone as a whole and the US. All numbers from the respective countries have remained above 50 in recent months, and a repeat performance should lend some support to the Euro and the US dollar. On Tuesday, the focus will be on the Asian session, with the latest interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia followed by a monetary press conference. Although no changes are expected in rates, the following statement will be closely monitored for future signs of the central bank's movements, and we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. During the European session, we'll see key jobs data as the unemployment rate from Germany and the Eurozone hits the market, which tends to create some volatility and trading opportunities in the euro. On Wednesday, during the Asian session, we'll see the release of the latest import and export figures from Australia, where we expect volatility in the Australian dollar. Later in the day, all eyes will be on the release of market services PMI from France, Germany, the Eurozone as a whole, and the US. Like the manufacturing numbers, these figures have also remained above 50 in recent months, and a continuation of this trend should see the US dollar and euro strengthen. On Thursday, during the European session, we'll see the latest interest rate decision from the Bank of England, followed by a monetary press conference shortly after. Analysts are now predicting that the Bank of England will hold off raising interest rates for quite some time, which has led to the current weakness in the pound, and we may see the British currency come under further pressure with a further dovish outlook. On Friday during the Asian session, we expect volatility in the Australian dollar as the RBA releases a monetary press statement. Most analysts are now predicting the RBA will hold off cutting interest rates until later in the year, and investors will be waiting for confirmation of this in the speech. In the American session, the focus will be on Canada and the US with the release of key jobs data. In last week's speech, Fed President Janet Yellen noted that the employment market was powering ahead, and many see this as one of the triggers for the Fed to raise interest rates again in March, and we expect the US dollar to jump significantly if the number comes in above expectations. That's all from me at FIBO Group, and I'll see you all next week.